Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on Narrator in your Windows 11 PC. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first in your desktop, you can go to your settings. You can search it. I'm going to search it, settings, and hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your accessibility in your left side menu here, accessibility. And if you scroll down, you will find narrator. This one, you can click on it. And as you can see, this is the narrator. Narrator is a screen reader that describe what's on your screen. So it will be easier to you to understand what's in front of your screen. And then if you want to turn it on, you can just click this toggle to turn it on. And it will
Scan.
be like this.
Narrator window heading level 1.
And then
Welcome
you
to
can just,
Narrator. This is Narrator
continue.
settings window. Narrator. Toggle switch.
So you can see
On.
this is
Scan
the
off.
example. So I think that's it. How to turn on the narrator. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.